everyone, it's Els here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the envelope from the Sidekick Essentials 8 die set. It's a super popular set and let me tell you, it's fun to use. So you can use it in your Sidekick, of course. You can use it in your regular planner as well, so from the Planner Essentials. But you can also make it as a gift card envelope. And that's what I'm doing here. So what I use is, I use this die and run it through. So that's that's your die. One tip already, because when I run this one through, it had the text Christmas. Of course, I did it the wrong way around first. So when you have a text or a certain direction you want to have your envelope in, make sure you die cut it in the right direction. So that's the die I used. Then I also used this frame. So I die cut that one, that's this one. And what I did, I took that. So I cut this first. So you put it on the stitched rectangle, die cut that one. And then I adhered it, so I adhere the paper with a little piece of tape to this die set and then run it through. So then I get the holes exactly in the correct size. So that's another thing you can do, some matching and layering, of course. So that's that one. And then I will show you two samples and then I'm going to assemble the envelope. And you can make it into a book as well. So what I know Esther did that when we were together. So she made a lot of envelopes and put them all together on rings. So that's super fun as well. And let me show you this one. So here I have it in the back of this Sidekick. You see, so here how it's looking in the Sidekick. But then of course it fits the same in the regular planner. So I made this one already. And here I have a piece of paper here from one of the sets from Esther as well. And this is an idea from Marjolein, I think she used that one. And what I did for myself, decided to do is the piece that I need to remove, like open the envelope, I made that a little bit longer. And this is from the journaling line, you see that as well. This is the paper from Esther. And so let me open this, you see. So it's a perfect size and that's why I think everybody, this is such a great for a gift card as well. So such a great idea. So of course you can make it a money envelope, but I know especially in the US people do a lot of gift cards with Christmas or birthdays. So this is a great way to give a gift card. So you just, here you go. So that's that one. Then I made this one already. How super cute is that, with one of the characters from Josette. And I have the green here as well. And that's to cover the holes. So because I'm not going to put this in my planner or in my Sidekick, I'm just going to use this as a gift card holder. How super cute is that? So let's assemble the envelope. So what you do is you have like all score lines here. And of course I use the reminiscence paper here from Esther. So you fold all these. And what I did with the samples, I cover the holes and that's what I'm going to use that part for now. So I'm going to use the double-sided tape here. And then for here I'm going to use the small tape. And that small tape you're going to put on the inside of the envelope here. And you're not covering the holes. So after you put the tape on, I'm going to put my closures on. So this, put a bread through and open it. And then with this one the same. And open this one as well. And then you're going to take the tape off, or the release sheet off. Oh, let's use my tweezer for it. So you take the release sheet off using your tweezer. Then you're going to fold it. That's that. And then you're going to take off the tape here. And then I'm rolling this back a little bit because it's a little bit too wide. And then you're going to fold this over. And then I have this piece. Then I'm going to put tape on here as well. And before you do this, I'm going to use this side. So this is from one of the Planner Essentials set as well. So make sure, because you see this is only going over a little bit. So I do tape here and here, but do it like right above it. So it's not going to show, because you don't want your tape to show. And you're going to do this on the front and the back. And now you can make it into a gift card envelope. Just hold this like this. I'm going to put it in the center. So again, this was an idea from Marjolein, from our design team member. And now you close it and then you trim it off on the sides. And then I will show you all the envelopes. There you go, and trim it. Oh. So again, these are all the other ones we had here. How cool are these? So fantastic gift cards envelope, and of course this one is to put in your planner. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more ideas and inspiration, and also check out our social media, Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.